Wow, it's heavy. Alright, so we just took out the left fairing, one piece. It's a one piece fairing. So there are 3 screws that you need to take off. 1, and then 2, and then 3. It's right there on the top. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and then once you take off the screws, there are 3 snap-ons there, so you need to pull out the fairing. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 screws and 3 snap-ons. Alright, so the chassis protector bracket, and you see the joint clamp right there. So we have this chassis protector bracket, and we have 3 joint clamp behind this bracket. Alright, so those 3 joint clamp brackets are holding this chassis protector. Yoshimura. Alright, there you go. So we are holding the left fairing. Alright, now you can see the back side of the fairing. And of course, this is the front. Alright, just like that. Simple. Alright folks, so I am holding the stock flasher, and then look, it looks so clean now. See? Alright folks, and look at the left side of the bike. Man, it looks so clean now. It looks so clean without this ugly turn signal. Right? Look. You see that? There you go. Yeah, boy. It looks a lot cleaner now, huh? It looks way, way cleaner. Yeah. On the other side. Yeah. It looks way, way cleaner. And the frame sliders. On the other side. Yoshimura. Wala eh.
Baka busy sa work sa school.
Baka.
Okay. You still staying here?
Yeah, I'm just staying here.
We will go heading down because we want to watch the GP.
Yeah, me too.
Well, maybe you can. Okay. So then you're gonna go.
Yeah.